Okay, hi everyone. I'm Adrian from Temasek Poly. Today I'm here to share a bit about our diploma in electronics. You may not have noticed electronics are already part of our everyday life. Things that we carry like handphone, AirPod, tablet, smartwatches, and many more. Electronics actually bring advancement to the mankind. It enables rocket to the space. It plays an important integral part in our daily lives, at homes, schools, leisure, and factories. As I mentioned earlier, from personal mobile devices, even to home appliances right now, and in medical devices to even sophisticated smart system. Basically, at this point of time, we literally cannot live without electronics. As Singapore progresses towards becoming a smart nation, this course actually prepares you for the current emerging needs encompassing the IoT, Internet of Things, automation, digital transformation, advanced manufacturing, assistive technology, and a green environment to meet the changing needs of the industry. With new technologies, electronics enable these state-of-the-art applications. Okay, example like robotics, AI, artificial intelligence, industrial 4.0, and so on and so forth. These industries are making a lot of headways in Singapore. With the emerging industries and application, naturally comes with more wide range of career opportunities relating to aerospace, electronics, robotics and automation, semiconductor, smart system integration, and many more. Some of these names may be familiar to you guys. These are some of them are big MNCs that have been in Singapore for many years. Companies like Micron has been in around Singapore in the 1970s, and venture actually started off back in 1989. This slide shows a snapshot of the electronics sector in Singapore, and it continues to be the main pillar despite the disruption of the COVID pandemic. If you were to embark on a career in electronics, you are not limited to just being a technical expert. Okay, there are a lot of pathways that you can actually grow your careers in areas like facilities, equipment, process, quality, integration, and product. On top of that, there's also lateral progression in the management path as you progress along your career. And electronics graduates continues to be in great demand, hence the higher salary range. As you can see from this slide, some of the occupation and the 25th percentile and 75th percentile range of the wages. This data is accurate, taken from June 2020. Again, despite the COVID pandemic, you can see from the graph, 2019, 2020, and right now in 2021-22, we are in recovery state. Even during the COVID pandemic, there is a continuous demand for jobs in the electronics sector. If you join us, we will prepare you professionally with in-depth training in both hardware and software, and also specialize in areas like avionics, robotics, industrial artificial intelligence, semiconductor technology, intralogistics and cybersecurity. In Diploma in Electronics, in year 1, we will focus on engineering foundation, specifically in engineering math, circuits, programming, and prototyping. In year 2, we will focus on the electronics core knowledge in electronics application, embedded system, data analytics, power drive, and control system. In year 3, the students are given the option to choose a specialization in industrial AI, avionics, semicon technology, robotics, intralogistics, and cybersecurity. And in year 3, the students will also do their internship and major project as part of their curriculum. So the next few slides actually talks about some of the specializations that we offer in avionics. And these are some of the competition the students participate in. In the AI elective, this option actually allows students to acquire deep knowledge and skills in the industrial artificial intelligence industry. Okay, application would include advanced manufacturing, AI machine learning, predictive maintenance, and of course in the R&D areas. As for semiconductor technology, this is a very mature industry in Singapore, whereby we have multiple wafer fabs across Singapore. And this option actually allows students to acquire knowledge and skills of IC process integration, clean room equipment and technology, and of course the basic electronics principles in the field of semiconductor. In robotics and automation, the students will study the areas in control, sensors, electronics, interfacing, and machine intelligence. This field has vast application in today's automated industry. Okay, application would include, of course, industrial automation, robotic system, instrumentation, and R&D. Okay, lastly, in intralogistics and cybersecurity, is a cross-disciplinary elective subjects offered to provide the opportunities for students to acquire specialized knowledge and skills in intralogistic automation system and IoT cybersecurity. And this slide actually is to share with you. We have this TP-SUTD pathway program. Basically, in short, in year 3, the students, if they are selected, they will actually take some of the modules from TP-SUTD and be exempted 1 year. So instead of 4 years to complete the degree, they can actually complete it in 3 years. Okay, finally, to further enhance the learning and to prepare you guys for the real world, in the final year, the student will do their major project as well as their internship. Okay, the student internship program. Okay, this is an example of an internship. It's an overseas internship from some of the students. So they went to China, Southwest Jiantong University for their internship. This is another overseas internship that we did in HRG. Besides overseas SIP, we have also attached students to our Center of Excellence in TP for them to learn alongside with professionals and experts. Okay, once you equip with a diploma in electronics, you will actually have an opportunity to further studies in either local universities, overseas universities, of course with some exemption based on the uni requirement. To conclude, the next few slides showcase some of our electronics students' achievements and awards. Okay, Our students consistently participate in some of the various games and like for this, the Singapore Robotic Games. And we have actually achieved some gold, silver, bronze, and commendation awards throughout. Similarly, WorldSkills Singapore, we have also been actively participating. And most recently, we won a gold and a silver in 2020 and 2021. And these are some of the scholarships that our students was awarded. The A-Star Science Award, and these are our LKY Awards recipients and Teng Soon Gold 2021 recipient. To strive for your fullest potential in electronics, okay, join us for a broad-based, in-depth electronics curriculum, okay, that will prepare you for a wide range of career options. Okay, with that, I will end my sharing. Thank you.